Here is the review. Given PQ is equal to 14, AC is equal to 6, QU is equal to 3, and find the perimeter of triangle STU. Now here you can solve this by using the concepts of the triangle. This point is very important, like the segment connecting the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and is half as long. Here this is given, DE is parallel to AB, DE is parallel to AB, and DE will be half of AB. D is equal to half of AB. D is equal to half of AB. So this must be parallel to this line, and if we are finding the length of segment, then there will be the relationship between DE and AB. Here DE will be half of AB. Now in triangle MPR, NS we have to find. UW and VW are the mid segment of triangle RST. Find UW and RT. You can do this also. And because the length is given is 12 and RS is parallel to UW, so here the length will be 6, will be half of the RS. And the same here, if you will connect the point V to W, and again here VW is parallel to RT, so if this is 16, then here the length will be 8. Now this is for exercise. GH, HJ and JG are the mid segments of triangle EDF. So you have to find out some unknowns. Here is the fill in the blanks, and here is the diagram. In first case, JH will be parallel to DF, which is simply, you can see here, JH will be parallel to DF, and also EF is equal to 21.2, EF is equal to 21.2. You can solve this by using the concepts of, as we have already studied, the mid segment properties of the triangle. Here DF is equal to 16. GH is parallel to DE. GH will be 12 because this is half of the length DE, and JH is equal to 8 because DF is equal to 16, so JH will be equal to half of the length of DF. In triangle HKM, J, L and N are the midpoints of the sides, and we have to fill in the blanks. So just use the properties you learned and try to solve this. Given the midpoints of triangles are 7, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, find the coordinates of vertices. You can use graph by plotting the points on the coordinate system. Inequalities in one triangle. Here are some examples you can solve. Like minus x plus 2 is greater than 7, c minus 18 is less than 10, minus 5 plus m less than 21, x minus 5 greater than 4, z plus 6 greater than minus 2. If one side of a triangle is longer than another side, then the angle opposite the longer side is larger than the angle opposite the shorter side. So here m is less than b,